What if you could eat foods that taste like a cheat meal, but still support your health goals? Imagine enjoying pizza, ice cream, chocolate, and crispy snacks without completely ruining your diet. The secret is not always eating less. Sometimes it's choosing smarter ingredients. Today, we'll reveal healthy foods that feel like guilty pleasures but can actually fit into a balanced lifestyle. Many people quit healthy eating because they think healthy food is boring. They imagine plain salads, tasteless meals, and endless restrictions. But modern nutrition has changed. With the right ingredients, you can create delicious meals that satisfy cravings while giving your body the nutrients it needs. Here are some healthy foods that feel like cheat meals. 1. Protein ice cream instead of regular ice cream. Ice cream is one of the most loved desserts in the world. But traditional ice cream is often high in added sugar and calories. A healthier alternative is protein ice cream made with ingredients like Greek yogurt, frozen fruit, and protein powder. It gives you that creamy dessert experience while adding protein that helps keep you full. It's a perfect option when you're craving something sweet after dinner. 2. Healthy pizza with a protein base. Pizza doesn't have to disappear from your life when you start eating healthy. Instead of a traditional pizza loaded with refined carbs and extra calories, try making a healthier version. Use a whole grain crust, a protein-rich base, plenty of vegetables, and quality toppings. You still get the cheesy, satisfying pizza experience, but with more nutrients and better balance. 3. Dark chocolate instead of candy bars. Chocolate cravings are real. But instead of highly processed candy bars filled with sugar, choose dark chocolate with a higher cocoa percentage. Dark chocolate contains natural compounds that may support heart health and provides a richer flavor, meaning a small amount can feel satisfying. The key is moderation. A few squares can satisfy your sweet tooth without turning into a sugar overload. 4. Crispy air-fried foods. Many people love fried foods because of the crispy texture. The good news? You can create healthier versions using an air fryer. Foods like air-fried chicken, sweet potato fries, and vegetables can give you that crunchy feeling with less oil compared to traditional deep frying. You get the comfort food experience with a lighter approach. 5. Banana peanut butter dessert. When you want something sweet, try combining natural foods. Frozen bananas blended together can create a creamy dessert similar to ice cream. Add a small amount of peanut butter for healthy fats and extra flavor. It's simple, delicious, and feels like a real dessert. 6. Healthy burgers that actually taste good. A burger doesn't have to be unhealthy. A homemade burger using lean meat or a quality protein source, whole grain buns, fresh vegetables, and a healthier sauce can become a balanced meal. The difference is not removing your favorite foods, it's upgrading them. Healthy eating doesn't have to feel like punishment. The best diet is one you can actually enjoy and maintain. By making smarter swaps, you can enjoy foods that feel like cheat meals while still moving toward your health goals. So, tell us, which healthy cheat meal would you try first?